everyone, my name is Natalie Tall and I'm the Family and Consumer Sciences Extension Agent in Grayson County. And this is my helper today.
Hi, I'm Harper and I'm 5.
This is Harper and she's 5 years old. And she is going to kindergarten in August and we're so excited about it. And so we're gonna work this summer on different things to get her ready for kindergarten using our All Ready for Kindergarten kit that you have also received. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna showcase some activities using the parent guide and using the materials that are actually in your box today. So what I wanna point out is the parent guide first. So these are the activities that we're gonna do in this video series. But the first thing I want to point out is if you turn to page 7, I believe it is, you can see the Ready, Set, Go format. All right, so what this means is that each activity has 3 different ways to do the activity. Ready activities provide a friendly introduction to a learning skill. Set activities are the next step in building that skill set. And then go activities are either slightly more challenging than the previous levels or something your child might practice independently. So the cool thing about these is you don't even have to think about what to do with all this. You may be a little bit overwhelmed. You don't even have to think about it because the parent guide actually gives you specific things to work on to develop literacy skills, math skills, vocabulary skills, fine motor skills to help get your kiddo ready for kindergarten. However, if you are one that you don't like to be told what to do and you like to be creative in your own way, you're not tied to these Ready, Set, Go activities. But I really like that format because I don't have to think about it. But if you will also look, each activity has an additional easy ideas for skill development, so you can actually create your own activities if you want to. So I hope you enjoy this little video series as we get ready for kindergarten.